Hi everyone, John Melby with Become Demand Driven. And this is the third in my 6-part series on some of the things that we do traditionally in supply chain management and inventory management and even business management that don't really make that much sense in a world we live in today. Part 3, I want to talk about our amazing obsession with cost and the drive for cost reduction that is without equal. And there's nothing else that we drive harder than cost reduction. Why do we do that? Intuitively, it doesn't make sense, right? We know that driving 100 miles out of my way to get a couple of cents off my gas price, it doesn't make any sense. It didn't really save me anything. Buying something for $4 that normally is $25 or $30 probably isn't going to save me much because the quality isn't going to be there, or something isn't going to work right on that product. We know that. Nobody goes out and buys a car for $8. They're thousands of dollars. So why are we obsessed with reducing the cost? And the focus on unit cost drives us trouble in our supply chains as well. And we also know that. We know that if I can save 10 cents per product by buying 100 times more than I need, is going to save me per unit, but it's going to cost me in the long run. I don't go out and buy 4,000 eggs if I can get them cheaper because I know I can't use 4,000 eggs and I'm going to have to throw them away. So why do we have such an obsession with cost? Now, that's not to say that we shouldn't have some sort of a thought process and some sort of a focus on cost, but cost is an outcome of our actions. And what we need to do is focus on our actions, which leads to a focus on systemic flow throughout our business, not a segmented, siloed look at individual costs, like if we add them all up, somehow that will be our savings. That is not the case, and we need to recognize that.